micro. Wait, no, come over, come over. That's, how'd you hook on a 3.2 inch? Oh, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Wait, the lure is bigger than him.
That's a tiny flatty.
Good.
That is a tiny flatty.
Oh, I hooked him through the eye. Little dog. Fuck, he's hooked. It's stuck in the gill. What, you got a hit? Oh, alright, he wants to go.
That's so funny. Tell me where he goes.
He's coming straight for you.
Hit. You're on. Hit, Jakes.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Little flatty. Yeah, it's a fish. What do you want, mate?
Careful with him. Don't go too fast.
Holy shit, you can see him. He's decent.
That's not. Oh.
Yes, it is.
How big?
He's,
Fuck.
he's 40. He's 46.
I got another mini flatty. Yeah, I felt him pick that up too. I think it's a flatty. Well, it's a fish for sure. I felt it eat it. Oh my god, there's so many tiny flatties.
Oh, you got it. Hey, wait. He's a little bit bigger.
Oh shit, yeah, he's a bit bigger. He's probably like 25.
Where are you talking?
I'm going out there. That's probably the same fish that ate it.
No, I don't.
Far out, mate. Can you stop eating my lure? Filming, boys, but look, we just got a massive whiting. It was running so good. Good whiting though. 40. Alright, get this dog out. Got some tiny flatty. Start this video. Subscribe, boys.